What's up, everybody? It's Mike again from Pennington Concepts. It's getting that nice weather out. It's getting hot. It's almost Jeep season. So at the dealership, we've been loading up on Jeeps and getting them upfitted and ready for you guys. Today, we got a split year 2018 with a 4-inch kit, a set of anodized blue Black Rhino wheels. It's a Sentinel, and we wrapped them in a 35 1250 20 from Fuel. It's a Gripper MT. It's a great street tire, even though it is a mud tire. This Jeep can be found at Pennington Ford Centralia. Also look us up at PenningtonConcepts.com or check us out on Facebook and Instagram.